Thank you for purchasing the Raise3D C220-P Cleaning Station. This video will guide you through the unboxing and installation of the C220-P Cleaning Station. Please follow the steps in this video to complete the installation, otherwise, the device may malfunction, or even be damaged. To ensure smooth installation and safe operation of the C220-P Cleaning Station, please reserve sufficient operating space and confirm that the power supply environment. Before unpacking and installation, please prepare the following necessary tools. Installation must be performed by professionally trained personnel. Please wear appropriate protective equipment during installation. The equipment must be powered off before installation. In this chapter, we will guide you on how to remove the outer packaging of C220-P Clean Station. Open the buckles. There are 6 buckles on the box, 3 on each side. Cut the cable ties with scissors, then twist open the buckles. Carefully lower the flap to avoid injury. Remove the protective foam. Remove the power cord that is attached to the right side of the printer. Use a drill to remove the protective strip on the right side of the wooden box. Use an electric drill to remove the fixing screws on the sides and bottom of the back of the wooden box. It takes 2 to 4 people to lift the handles on both sides of the box and move the wooden box away from the equipment. Use scissors to remove the protective film covering the C220-P Cleaning Station. Use scissors to remove the vacuum packaging from the C220-P Cleaning Station. Use an electric drill to remove the 4 fixed brackets that secure the 4-foot supports. Remove the accessory box under the C220-P Cleaning Station. Next, you need to raise the C220-P Cleaning Station's 4-foot supports to prevent it from hitting the base when moving the C220-P Cleaning Station. First, use an open-end wrench to loosen the top screws downwards. Then, use the open-end wrench to loosen the bottom screws upwards to raise the feet. Unlock the casters and move the C220-P Cleaning Station to an open area for subsequent installation. Remove the glove box baffle. Remove all the accessory boxes from the cleaning station. When handling foam, be careful not to let foam fragments fall into the powder sifter. The items in the accessories box are shown below. Please refer to the accessories list for details. The accessories are shown in the picture. Please refer to the accessories list for details. This chapter will guide you on how to properly install the C220-P Cleaning Station. Install the tower light. Peel off the transparent protective film from the tower light interface on the top of the C220-P Cleaning Station. Connect the tower light wiring. Install the tower light onto the C220-P Cleaning Station, making sure to align the markings before tightening. Take out the touchscreen assembly and use a power drill to remove the screws securing the cover. The touchscreen assembly should be installed on the right side of the cleaning station, and the plastic packaging outside the wires should be removed. Thread the wire through the hole in the bracket. Thread the included screw through the green ground wire on the screen box, and then secure it to the cleaning station using the screw. Install the remaining 2 fixing screws. Connect the network cable and power cord. Install the touchscreen back cover onto the bracket along the direction of the rear slide groove. After adjusting the touchscreen angle, use an electric drill to tighten the screws on the back. Install and tighten the adjusting bolts. Install the weighing mechanism. Connect the wire on the weighing mechanism to the interface at the bottom of the C220-P Cleaning Station. Exposed ground wires can be wrapped with electrical tape. Hold the weighing mechanism with one hand and pull the slide rail with the other, slowly aligning the weighing mechanism's holes with the 4 screw holes on the slide rail, avoiding pulling on the cables. This process requires some patience. Please be careful not to let the weighing mechanism fall and cause injury. It's best to have a second person support the slide rail from behind to prevent it from sliding backward. After attaching the weighing mechanism to the 4 screw holes, tighten the 4 screws. Install the adjustable armrest. There are 4 screws on the front of the cleaning station. Loosen but do not unscrew the 4 screws. Hang the adjustable armrest on the screw and tighten the screw. Install tool shelf inside the cleaning station. Take out the tool shelf, hang it on the 2 screws below the filter, and then tighten the screws. Install the sieve. 160 mesh and 180 mesh sieve are included. Choose the sieve according to your needs. There are 6 buckles on the powder sieving mechanism. Place the sieve on the filter, paying attention to the orientation. The side with the yellow mark should face up. Carefully pinch the buckle and lift it, then rotate to close the buckle. Cover with a black sieve. The rough side should face up. Cover the fresh powder inlet with the lid. Install glove box baffle. Align the glove box baffle with the slot on the side of the C220-P cleaning station, and then install the glove box onto the C220-P cleaning station. Connect the vacuum cleaner. Prepare the vacuum cleaner. First, insert the vacuum cleaner's vacuum hose into the port on the left. Connect the vacuum cleaner's power cord to the power port on the left. Take out the vacuum brush and connect it to the air inlet inside the cleaning station. Connect the spray gun. Connect the air gun to the air gun port inside the cleaning station. Install the electrostatic wrist strap. Connect the electrostatic wrist strap to the interface on the right side of the cleaning station. Install the cartridge. 1 cartridge is included with the package. Place the cartridge in the weighing mechanism. After opening the cartridge valve, close the weighing mechanism. Mount the cartridge. The powder mixer is located on the right side. Align the slot at the bottom of the cartridge with the catch on the powder mixer. Align the 2 slots on the cartridge handle with the red latches, and mount the hopper onto the powder mixer. Press and hold the red latches to remove the powder hopper. Install the transparent protective cover. The powder mixer is located to the right. A transparent protective cover is included. You can install the cover onto the mixer. Align with the protrusion and install. This chapter will guide you on how to level the C220-P cleaning station and turn it on. Level the C220-P cleaning station. Insert the leveling fixture into the lower edge of the sheet metal of the clean station. Ensure that the lower edge of the fixture is fully inserted, and the higher edge cannot be inserted. First, use an open-end wrench to loosen the top screws downwards. Then, use the open-end wrench to loosen the bottom screws upwards to raise the feet. Push the build unit 220 into the cleaning station. If there are any abnormal noises or the build unit 220 cannot be pushed in, please readjust the height of the cleaning station. After fully pushing the build unit 220 in, lock the casters. Connect the power cord. Before turning on the power, be sure to press and hold the emergency stop button and turn it clockwise to release it. Otherwise, the clean station will report an error after powering on. The power interface is on the back. Turn the power, wait for the screen to turn on, and you can start using the C220-P cleaning station. Press each button to check if the cleaning station is working properly. Tear the cartridge. Before using the cleaning station for the first time, please tear the cartridge. Ensure the cartridge are placed in the cleaning station. Then click Settings greater than Maintenance greater than Sensor Calibration greater than Tear. Once the data reaches 0, the tear weight will be deducted. Check the powder mixer, set the mixing time on the screen, then click the Mix button. If the mixer starts rotating, the device is working properly. If it does not rotate, please contact Raise3D after sales personnel. You have completed the installation and leveling of the C220-P Cleaning Station. You can now start using the C220-P Cleaning Station.